Good morning everyone. Now last time we had finished the lesson crop production and management, and now we will start with the workbook questions of this lesson. Now the first question is choose the correct alternative from those given below each question. So we have to tick mark and write the option over here. First one is, in which of the following class is maize crop classified? Is it Kharif, Rabi, summer or cereal, right? Maize is classified into a Kharif crop, so put it as A. Then next one, which of the following is a Kharif crop? Paddy, gram, pea or linseed, right? Again, paddy is a Kharif crop. Then in which of the following patterns are wheat and gram classified? Wheat and grams are classified into which pattern? First one, A, Rabi crop, right? Then which is the traditional tool for tilling? Seed drill, sower, khurpi or plow? Plow is the traditional tool which is used for tilling. So answer is D here. Then which tool is used to break crumbs of soil and leveling it? Leveling ऐसा एक plank जैसा एक फ्लैट ये होता है, इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है जिससे लेवलिंग किया जाता है टू ब्रेक द क्रम्स एंड लेवल द सॉइल फॉर सोइंग सीड्स. सो दैट इज अ प्लैंक. So C is the answer here. Then what is the use of seed drill? Seed drill is now used to sow the seeds, right? So C is the correct option. Then which of the following is not a manure? Compost, oil seed cake, dung manure, all these are natural manures, right? Which we get from dead and decaying animal waste. But urea is a fertilizer which is manufactured in a factory. So answer is D. It is not a manure, it is a fertilizer. Which of the following is not a fertilizer? Now the question other way around it is urea, NPK, superphosphate and vermicompost. Vermicompost is something which is made by worms. जो छोटे छोटे वो worms होते हैं उनको डाल करके जो fertilizer बनाया जाता है, that is called a vermicompost. So it is not a chemical. Superphosphate, NPK and urea are all chemicals manufactured in factories. So vermicompost is the option here. In which system of irrigation is water not wasted at all? That is drip system, right? Pulley system, leveler system, sprinkler system, it happens that water is little bit wasted. But in drip system it's perfect because water keeps on dripping on the roots of the plants. That is why no water is at all wasted in the drip system. So answer is C here. Then which tool is used to remove weeds? Khurpi. Khurpi is a traditional tool which is used to remove the weeds by hand, right? Manually. So it is A. Now 2,4-D is which type of chemical? 2,4-D is a weedicide, right? वर्मीसाइड जो वर्म्स के लिए डालते हैं. वीडीसाइड होता है वो हम लोग वीड्स को मारने के लिए डालते हैं, स्प्रे करते हैं फार्म्स में सो दैट अनवांटेड प्लांट्स विल डाई. फंगीसाइड फॉर फंगस एंड पेस्टिसाइड फॉर पेस्ट लाइक लोकस्ट, और जो पेस्ट आते हैं ग्रास हॉपर्स है और जो ये खा जाते हैं उनके लिए पेस्टिसाइड होता है. बट वीडीसाइड इज फॉर वीड्स, अनवांटेड प्लांट्स दैट ग्रो अलॉन्ग द क्रॉप. सो दैट इज द बी आंसर. विच ड्राइड leaves are used for storing food grains at home? Which dried leaves are used? Neem leaves, right? There, this you had come across into that Paheli and Bujo conversation which is there in the textbook. So it is B. Then fill in the blanks. The same kind of plants grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place is called crop, right? Crop or crops, anything is correct. Actually it should be crop only because it is a collective noun. Then further, the damaged seeds would dash on the top of water. What happened to the damaged seeds? They will float on water, right? Because they are hollow from within. That is why they'll float on water. For growing a crop, sufficient sunlight and dash as well as dash from the soil are essential. Sunlight and water are needed, right? And from soil, what do the plants get? Nutrients. So nutrients from the soil. Now let's go on the next page. Now next one, fourth one. The time duration for Rabi crop is generally from October to March. Rabi crops are grown during October to March. Then the crop which is sown in rainy season is called the Kharif crop, right? The dash crop requires, it is required किया है This is wrong, so it's requires. Make it correct. Requires more amount of water, so it can be cultivated in monsoon. Paddy means rice, right? If you write here rice, that is also correct. So rice is a crop which needs more water, so generally it is cultivated in rainy season. The process of loosening and turning of soil is called tilling. Tilling. Then nowadays plowing is done by tractor driven cultivators. Write down. The leveling of the soil is done with the help of a leveler. Please mark the spelling. It is Leveler, leveler. Wooden plow contains a strong triangular iron strip called plowshare. Iron strip होता है बीच में या wooden होता है, which is being laid on the necks of the oxen. Ox के इसके ऊपर रखा जाता है. That is called a plowshare. The supply of water to crops at different intervals is called irrigation. The separation of grain seeds from the chaff is called threshing. Pounding and beating it is called threshing to separate the chaff from the grain. Now, answer the following questions in one word. Number 1, what is the crop grown in winter season called? It is called Rabi crop, right? What is time period of Kharif crops in India? It is June to September. Then, which traditional tool is used to break crumbs? That is leveler. Which modern tool is used for sowing with the help of tractor nowadays? For sowing, tractor का mechanical tool क्या है? Seed drill. Right? Then further, which bacteria are present in the root nodules of leguminous plants? They are rhizobium. That we studied, the root nodules, right? They do nitrogen fixation. What are undesirable plants growing naturally along with crop in a field called? They are called weeds. Which instrument or implement is used for manual harvesting in India? You can write it as instrument also because that's easy English. Okay. So which is the tool which is used for harvesting manually? It is sickle. Which mechanical implement is used for harvesting? It is harvester, right? And harvesting and I think threshing both साथ में करने वाले को क्या बोलते हैं? Combine. That is the machine. Okay. Now mark the following statements as true or false. Put right if true and put wrong cross for false statement. Right? Paddy is a kharif crop. Is paddy a kharif crop? Yes, it's a kharif crop. Paddy means rice. Then second is gram is a rabi crop. Yes, gram is a rabi crop. So it is also correct. The field is leveled for sowing as well as for irrigation purposes. Yes, it is for sowing seeds and for irrigation purposes it is leveled. Then a seed drill is used for removing weeds and for loosening soil. Seed drill is used only for sowing of seeds, not loosening the soil, right? Removing weeds, it's not possible by a seed drill. Then farmers select good quality of seeds for sowing. Yes, farmers have to select good quality of seeds so that they can get maximum yield of the crop. So that is also correct. Then next one, use of fertilizers improves the texture of the soil as well as enhance the water holding capacity of soil. Does it increase the water holding capacity? No. In fact, the fertilizers spoil the soil's texture, right? That is why more use of fertilizers should not be done. So it is wrong. So make a cross there. Now we are starting with the question answers. These short questions I will do in this video. The long questions I will send you a photograph of that. You will have to copy it from that, right? I will not dictate every long answer here in the video. These short answers we will do it so that you get an idea how we answer the questions. Further, in which class are plants classified on the basis of season? There are two categories on the basis of seasons. Crops are classified in two categories. That is number 1 Rabi and number 2 Kharif. Then how are earthworms and microbes helpful to farmers? Earthworms and microbes further turn the soil and add humus to it. Humus is the highly fertile portion of soil which is being added. Earthworms क्या करते हैं? पूरी soil खाते हैं. They eat the mud inside the field. वो मड खा करके उसको पूरा एक्सक्रीट करते हैं। उनके खाने की वजह से क्या होता है, उनके जो डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम्स है वो सारे मिक्स होते हैं सॉइल के अंदर और उसको वो एक्सक्रीट करते हैं। एक्सक्रीट करने के बाद वो सॉइल एकदम सॉफ्ट हो जाता है और उसके अंदर न्यूट्रिएंट्स भी ऐड हो जाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से क्रॉप अच्छे से ग्रो हो सकता है। सो दैट इज वाई दे ऐड ह्यूमस टू द सॉइल. Humus makes it very much fertile. Now, how do the soil organisms add humus to the soil? The soil organisms decompose dead animals and plants by which various nutrients are released in the soil, which adds humus, right? The soil organisms decompose dead animals and plants by which various nutrients are released in the soil, which adds humus. Mention the types of plow. Two types of plow are which one? Wooden and iron, that is hoe. There are two types of plow. What is the need before plowing if the soil is very dry? Now if the soil is very dry, before plowing you need to make the soil wet, so you need to water the soil. If the soil is very dry, before plowing it needs to be watered, right? Then why are seeds covered by the soil during sowing? Seeds are covered by the soil. Why? So that they can germinate inside. Because I underline this portion in the question itself, because we will start the answer with this only. So rather than wasting time in writing the whole sentence, please underline this. Seeds are covered by soil during sowing because to protect them, or because नहीं लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा, to protect them, don't write because, it's not needed. Seeds यहाँ पे सिर्फ R कर दो. Seeds are covered by the soil during sowing to protect them from being eaten by birds. To protect them from being eaten. नहीं तो birds आएंगे वो उसके ऊपर पैक करके सारी seeds खा जाएंगे. Birds होते हैं, दूसरे pests होते हैं, right? So they might eat away the seeds. So to protect them, they should be covered by soil so that they can be safe and germinate inside the soil. What is the use of a plank? A plank is used for leveling the soil. वो हमने किया है. Leveler है plank एक टाइप का. Plank ऐसे टाइप का एक flat iron का ये आता है plate जैसा, which is used to flatten the soil and break the crumbs and level it properly after tilling, right? If manure is to be added in the soil, then it should be added to soil before plowing the soil. Why? Before plowing the soil, why manure should be added? Now underline this in the soil. If manure is to be added in the soil, it should be added को underline करो. It should be added before plowing the soil, right? ये आंसर हमारा स्टार्ट हो गया. अब because से लिखो. Because it replenishes the soil with its nutrients and increases its water holding capacity, right? क्या करता है? मैन्योर उसके न्यूट्रिएंट्स को रिप्लेस करता है and it increases its water holding capacity so that the crops can grow easily and nicely. Now what is NPK fertilizer? It is NPK means nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, right? N for nitrogen, P for phosphorus and K for potassium. Potassium का scientific name kalium है. यहाँ पे लिख के रख सकते हो कहीं पे आपके रेफरेंस के लिए. It is called kalium and that is why उसका फॉर्मूला जो है वो K है, right? नाइट्रोजन का N है, फॉस्फोरस का P ही है, बट पोटेशियम का it is K. That is why it is written K over here. State the sources of irrigation. Now what are the basic sources of irrigation? Sources of irrigation are करके आप आंसर लिख सकते हो. Rivers, ponds, lakes, wells, tube wells, right? Rivers, ponds, lakes, wells and tube wells. Now state the name of modern methods of irrigation. What are the two methods of irrigation? Modern methods. Now underline this, modern methods of irrigation. Two modern methods of irrigation are right here. Number 1, the sprinkler system, and number 2, the drip system. They are the two types of irrigation systems. Now इसके बाद वाला हम लोग चलो 2 question है, we will finish it off and then define we will start next time. Then 12th one, when should the weedicides be sprayed? Weedicides are sprayed in fields to kill weeds that grow along the crop. When weedicides are sprayed, they are used to kill the weeds that grow along the crop. State the harvest festivals in India. What are the harvest festivals? Baisakhi, Holi, Diwali, Nabanya, Pongal and Bihu. All these names are given in your textbook, so you can write them. Right? So we stop here today. Define से हम लोग next time करेंगे. Definitions I will give you, and then long answers I will send a photograph. You have to copy it down from that. Right? We stop here today.